Hey you guys, this is Mrs. O with Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and Kingdom Sweets Online. I know everybody is getting ready for the Super Bowl, so last week I did a hot spinach dip, so I thought today I'd do lemon pepper wings. I was watching, it was a cooking show, and they say 1.5 billion wings are consumed during the Super Bowl time. That's a lot of wings. Okay, let's get started. So here I have my wings. I went to the butcher and I asked for the flats only. So here is just the flats, okay? And what you want to do, you want to take your wings and make sure they're really dry. So just take a paper towel and just pat them, which I've already done, but I wanted to show you. Okay, and what I'm going to do with these wings, as my mom would say to us, I'm going to fry them butt naked. Nothing on them, no salt, no anything. So let's get ready and go over here to the fryer. Okay, so I'm going to drop maybe about 5 or 6, and I'm just going to put them in like this. Okay, just put as many as you can get in there, and make sure you put the skin side down. I don't know why I like the skin side down even on a fryer, because it's submerged in oil. Okay, you guys know the Eagles are gonna win, right? Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm just gonna lower them down, and I'll come back to you guys when they finish cooking and show you how to do the lemon pepper. Stay connected. Okay, you guys, I finished frying the wings, and I did them for about 12 minutes on the fryer at 350 degrees. Of course, you can use a cast iron skillet, and I would say don't put it on medium, maybe 1 notch before medium. But here are the butt naked fried wings. Flats, I'll just say flats. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I always try to bring the flavor out in anything I do. I'm going to take a little lemon juice. Okay, that worked out well. You guys have to excuse me. I got up at 6:30 this morning, and I've been up since then. It is now 10 after 1 the next day, so I'm a pretty tired sister. Okay, so I'm going to take the lemon juice, and I'm just going to kind of spread it over the wings like this. You don't want a whole lot, okay? That's good. And what I have here is my lemon pepper, and what I did, I got some fennel seeds, and I took a tablespoon and I had to grind it in the coffee grinder to get it into a fine powder. So after I did that, I added 1/4, not 1/4, half of a 1/4 teaspoon of fennel, ground fennel. And for some reason, it gives the lemon pepper wings a wonderful taste. So here is the 1/4. I just want to show you. This is what you would add if you did the fennel. This is all the fennel you would need to put into your lemon pepper. Okay, so I stir this up, and I'm just going to coat it. Okay, let's get enough lemon pepper on there. I went to a place and they said it was lemon pepper. I couldn't taste any lemon pepper on it, and I was really disappointed. So let's just shake it. I'm going to try to taste one for you guys, but again, these are really hot. And I want you to see the lemon pepper on it. You see the lemon pepper? They're all covered, okay? So now we can just plate them. And some people I like my wings a little crunchy. I know some people don't. Whenever I order wings, I always tell them to cook them a little crunchy. Okay, let's just put them on here. And they smell wonderful. See the pepper on it? You guys really have to try the fennel seed. Honestly, you'll be glad you did, because it gives it a wonderful, it enhances the lemon pepper for some reason. Don't know why, but it does. Okay. So here is my lemon pepper wings with a hint of fennel seed. You guys really have to try this. I hope you have a wonderful Super Bowl. I hope you and your friends have a great time. I'm going to taste one of these right now for you. I'm always saying wow, but honestly, these are freaking awesome. There's something about the fennel that enhances the lemon pepper. See how juicy they still are? I could eat this whole plate, but I'm not going to. Anyway, God bless you, and don't forget, next Friday on the 9th, the new episode of What's for Dinner, YouTube. God bless you.